Oh, two-door, sorry.
Feast or famine here. So yeah, we picked up some original dealer stuff. So you don't have that? That's why we're going to go up and take it from Cloco.
And do you have the headlight one as well, or the wiper one as well?
I don't know.
Intermittent.
I have the. I got the new. I got the new switches.
Did you get just another night of burgers and shite talk?
Look.
GT Apex.
195 60 14.
So whoever actually came in then was like, these are the options you can go
The
for.
GTV was a dearer wheel package, was it?
What's the pricing on the other side? It's 1.9 million yen for a GT Apex with all the bells and whistles after tax.
And 1658 for a
GTV.
GTV.
Cool. So in the catalogues that we brought in from Japanland, we found the original price list. There's loads of stuff happening here. So we're out fucking around. What are you doing?
This is what we do at 11 o'clock in the fucking night.
Yeah, there's actually 8.6s everywhere for a change. They had a barbecue, looked at cars. I'm giving you a loan of some wheels. They put the shitty tires in the back, I guess, and then there's the other ones are Advance for the front. So. Oh, hey. Yeah, I told him you can have a loan of the TEs for a fucking week because they're gorgeous. They might be a bit lost on it, but they look cool. You have standard.
You can probably show everybody the correct jacking procedure for Corollas as well.
Yes,
on the chassis leg.
On the chassis leg, because it's nice and strong, because the sills are made of chocolate on them.
Absolutely.
Because they always look really nice with the white on the Panda. Yeah. What are they on it now? 9J with a 0 offset. Are they?
9J0, right?
Yeah. What's weird is they're a very modern wheel. But for some reason they look great on an 8.6. No, they're the crap ones. There's two good ones in there with nice Advan Neovas on it. Oh yeah, they're gorgeous. You're going to want a set of these now because they are absolutely phenomenal on this colourway.
And it'll be sitting pretty low because the 14s as well.
That's great, man. They're very nice on that. That's why I'd love to have an L Panda. Yeah. Arguably the ultimate look. Nice. Those mags ain't chrome.
And then we have your van unplugged. Ooh, still sealed.
Where's the video? Can't see anything. What is it?
Option 2, Akira Ida.
So this is your collection of magazines.
I know, one of.
Well, yeah. Eventually they'll end up in the house.
B.
Competition car.
So they're slowly but surely starting to
Collect Honda stuff.
to go to the dark side.
Barry, you've been bitten by the 8.6 bug.
I want to go fixing things. No, with these, just these little balloon things. I think. Was that hacked into this car or something? Brian said.
I don't know. Mine is the electrical man for that.
Late spec corner lights on early spec balloon.
No, I'm not. Where is he? About a month and a half, 2 months, is it?
Yeah, 2 months.
Do you like it?
No.
Good. That's the answer we were looking for.
No.
Yeah. You get some fanny now with them wheels. Oh man, the fanny will be queuing up. Yeah, it's the dick magnum. Yeah, every fella coming over asking questions about it. The women don't give a fuck, like. The dick magnet. They're beautiful. Let me know when you want me to source you a set. Great salesman, even though I don't get any sort of commission. 9 with a 0. So now they'll be 9 minus 20
With that spacer.
with that spacer on.
Yeah, now it's like a 9 minus 13.
Yeah. So 9 minus 20 is what you're going for here now. So you'll actually be able to work it out from here then. Nearly perfect. So
That's 9 minus. Yeah.
that's 9 minus 20 now with the 20mm spacer. Need of adjustment on the coilovers. You need to lower her. Going onto the chassis leg.
Not with the size car. Wheel swap nation.
How do you feel, Barry? Welcome to Wheel Swap Nation, where we all stand around and just do nothing. So on the front, is there a space on the front as well?
No.
So there's nothing on the front there at the moment.
That's 9 by 0 on its own. Yeah.
Jesus, well then, you'll have to be getting 9s for the front then. Look how like crap that piece of timber is going to launch him away. What?
There's actual proper ramps.
No.
Right.
Yeah, but they're idiots, like.
No, he's right. You. Doesn't even need anyone. Oh my God.
Why? See you, Barry. It's great trying on wheels. Come again anytime. See you, Barry. Come again. always smiling driving this. Are they? Did you get a button? Where'd you get it? Or did you just what? Oh, this one.
It works.
That's great, Barry. It's kind of probably enjoyable, slowly fixing everything and not making it shit. It's great that these are worth about €400 or €500 and they just came with the car.
It's only steamy on start.
Is it, yeah?
Vapor.
Wish.
No fluid vapor.
Yeah. So where are we going, Josh?
Goodbye.
Josh put on his jacket because he was almost head to toe in tan.
Oh, car.
Yeah, all he needs is the fucking pants.
That's the two of them. They dress like each other, except for the girl.
She copied me.
Do you have like a Carhartt fetish, or
I do, yeah,
is there
every
something
night.
you're not telling us?
I think I'm just going to move to Canada. Carhartt dream over there.
Yeah, every time I see you, you're fucking delighted.
It's great. I love the taxis that day. It's great fun. I hope this ties into an awful fucking shit.
Yeah, well, we always said we'd go to it in shit boxes instead of bringing nice stuff, but.
And we are bringing shit boxes.
Oh yeah, what am I on about? Sorry. Yeah. Hi. Hey.
180 went into it.
Josh, I didn't know.
Oh, 180.
You're on 20 grand for this car, no you. Well, the weather is questionable. Waiting on you, boy.
Sorry. I didn't think everyone would be waiting on me.
We were all waiting on you.
That's it, bye.
Looks well.
It does, doesn't it? For
It
now.
always looks well.
Ah, it does, even at its worst.
Yes. Hopefully, this isn't mental. We'll see what happens.
Can't wait to watch the video in 14 months.
Yeah, probably longer.
Yeah, maybe.
I know. I'm working on it. Splendid. Yeah, so we went to the Cars and Coffee and I didn't film anything because we were completely overwhelmed. So I just filmed everything out the shed, so it looks like we went nowhere. A few sad machines over here. Little truck. Ahoy!
Do you like his wheels now?
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're the holy grail, sure. That's the best size of all time, like.
Love his cars.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a more yellow.
that's what's so funny is that we featured it and 3 days later you got the wheels and I was like, oh man. Did you enjoy that Cars and Coffee? Bye!
Driver on.
You've just buffed half the car.
Yeah, so you started raining, and that's the what do you call that stuff? Masking tape.
Yeah.
That we're doing the 50.
That's
and
Bombay mix.
Yeah, that's just snacks.
Yeah, Bombay.
Okay. It's very Taylor spec.
100% Taylor spec. Tools, cans.
Yes.
Flicky buttons.
So it came in around 5.5 or
Yeah,
6.
and it's like as soon as it crosses over, it just spools the turbo, a big boost straight away, and it's just all going in. I have it's set up with boost by gear, but boost by gear versus RPM.
Yeah.
So I can bring it in later in the RPMs to kind of help with traction.
Yeah,
like,
okay,
so
savage.
it comes in hard after like 6.
Yeah.
But it's still like an NA car revving to 9 anyway.
Class.
Couple of bit in second,
Yeah.
kind of speed.
Oh my god, man!
And we were only getting to the top of third there, like.
Alright, I wasn't expecting that, like.
That's it, nobody expects
Oh my
it,
god, it just kind of goes, how are you getting on? It's like, fucking hell!
That's a mile-an-hour clock and it'll fill it like a kilometre clock.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
We'll get a good run going.
Right. Fucking Christ on a bike, this is fast. What do you think?
That was an experience, eh? I can't. It feels faster than a tuned R35 GTR anyway.
Yeah.
That's being honest.
And then the experience of the just
Because you're in that and you're
boxed sedan.
You've shown me and it's fast now, and there's a bend coming a kilometre away that we should slow down for now.
Yeah. Then you
I'm
don't.
still pulling like, so
Yeah.
it pulls hard, it pulls really hard, and you're like, fuck, this thing
Not
is
boost
fast.
by gear.
And boost by RPM.
Right.
So it's different gear boost. So it's probably like
Yeah.
one or 1.5 bar up to 6,000 RPM,
Yeah.
and then 2 bar. So it's like, fuck, it's about to shift gear now, and then there's another 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
It's
up with the sump, I thought.
Fuck, this is fast, and then it goes, it's faster.
What is it? You have it at 2 bar, is it? Or?
Oh no, I think that's only on 1.4ish.
All right.
I got on 1.6, like, so. Save it for more, like.
Yeah.
And it's a GT35.
Yeah, it's a 60-1.
Pop the fucking hood, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
It's just, yeah. There's so many things that could just fucking happen
Suck
here.
in your tension rod.
No, things that could go wrong.
I had to cable tie up the AC plug as it chewed, the turbo had to go. We have some epoxy resin here for the crack that's in the manifold.
It's very you.
100%.
It's the most you car ever. And then the old distributor.
Yeah,
and
it
just
just keeps the 3 sensors in the distributor. Yeah.
keeps it cool.
Yeah, it's air-cooled sensors in the Dizzy, yeah. I needed the cap for another car, so I borrowed it.
Fucking exactly what he was just saying.
Huh?
You probably needed the cap.
I did. But I don't need it on this, like, so.
This is the car you're in.
Yeah.
I had that at the end, I was like, this is getting faster.
Yeah.
And then you go, ooh, we're in
This
this.
is a 91 Civic.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Probably went to the shops with kids.
That's my first.
Yeah, because it's an Irish car, isn't this? This is an Irish car.
Yeah.
So it used to just go to fucking mass and other various things like.
down around fucking Buzzard. Drive it fast in the background.
Yeah.
What's that?
And then you always
So what's that's standard S80? Would you have
It's
Frank.
It's basically like a standard S80 with a 4.2 final drive.
right?
It's got, but it's all Honda parts in the gearbox.
Yeah. So it's just fucking total Frankenstein shit then.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
But like, it's only got SIR cams in it, like.
Yeah.
And like the head is like, I roughly ported it out to match the manifold and stuff. Like, you could get a lot more from it.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have trouble with grip and shit. There.
Yeah. Neil's the instigator of everything here, it seems.
You said you'd be cool if you get this.
Yeah, now you are cool. And look at all the bullshit misery you're dealing with now. It's fucking brilliant.
Trying to rush it, which is even better.
Yeah, yeah.
It doesn't work.
Corolla life is fucking horrible. One night left. So you're doing a bit of TLC on the red Levin that you
The rusty slider.
purposely built, or bought. The rusty sliders. Yeah, so we're going to 8-6 Festival in a day. We're all here now together. Everyone's here.
We're helping. I'm getting these tyres ready.
Yeah, just warming them up. Barry put sticky tyres on the P1s and Comets.
Kenda Comets.
Kenda Comet Plus on my old wheels that came on my 8.6 when we pulled it out of the bush. From Skidden.
You have a lot of your wheels.
You have a lot of stuff now.
You've none of your own wheels.
So what happened? There was no brake pads in stock.
You can't get auto factors pads.
There's a global shortage in pads.
No spurious pads.
I would have thought that stuff was popular. Maybe everyone bought it for 860. And Stevie, you've come down.
I'm doing a sticker job in this year.
Come down from up the road.
Up the road, down the road, road.
So this used to have a RWB banner across the windscreen, and it had like bride stickers on the quarter windows. So the plan is to put them back on, so it kind of looks like it did before it came here, and then went to Belgium or wherever it went, and then came back again.
Give her back our tap to it.
What do you think, Josh?
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
You sad I didn't tell you about it?
Good.
No, you're not. Are you?
Yeah.
You wouldn't have bought it.
Fuck you.
The first person I knew that'd go, shit, it was him.
Of course.
You were probably next. He's not actually part of the gang of people that buy stuff and then just end up hemorrhaging money into it. Yeah, so you're you're out of the loop.
Really?
Yeah, you're out of that gang. So you've printed it as like an off-color white cream, because we were like the color that it was in Japanland was like an off-color.
Yeah, it wasn't exactly white.
No.
Yeah,
So just trying to get it somewhat like it was.
should be fairly close.
Yeah. Hey, look,
Just still look good.
no one's going to know.
Stevie gets preference then.
Ignore it.
No, don't feel Stevie at all. It's
Yeah.
like this is happening.
This is how you use the lift.
Yeah, it saves the wear and tear on the shaft.
Of course, eh?
Yes.
Beautiful. Hard to believe, but this is the same car. It's a feature of it on Speed Hunters in 2000 and I don't know. It's probably like 2007 or 8, but he released the pictures in like 2012. But this is that car, and now we're putting that back on. I think it's grand, man.
Yeah, go with that.
Fuck it, why not?
You want.
Handy having the old pictures for reference. That's two, I guess, famous 8.6s you've got to put stickers on in less than 2 months.
Yeah, it's not often it happens.
Because there's not many like cars, survivor cars, or even cars, you know.
True, yeah, like people didn't appreciate them back in the day. They didn't realise they were what they were. Or...
I'm surprised this car's still alive, man. What you do, Barry? You did a bit of touch up on all the little chips. See a bit of fresh red paint everywhere.
And the run.
And you got new headlights from Flows.
Check out the run.
They're reprint corners, aren't they?
That's a run.
The headlights are what? They're your ones, though, are they? Are they new? You bought brand new OEM ones? All right, yeah. And you cut off the little tab that was kind of hanging out here. Nice. And
On the ground is not really.
no, you don't look like you're enjoying yourself.
Actually,
I love the fact that you got 888s all around for the P1s. It's just fucking total overkill, but it's going to look so good. You've got a custom exhaust made up for it as well, because it had a terrible exhaust, and you went and bought 20mm spacers to fit out the arches. Lad.
I think I'm going to eat this back up here.
Yeah, you probably should, because you look like you're having the worst time ever. Let Stevie do his thing. It was the first thing you said when you got the car. You're like, we need to get that made up and put it straight back on.
Oh, really, yeah?
Yeah, well, like, it is that car, like, and people will remember it with this on it. I'm helping. Beautiful. Lovely. I wonder if the lads will approve of this now or they get sad. Well, it is a car that had it on it, so... I thought them fellas only do the Porsches. For all the people that don't know, Rowell started as an 8.6 team with Nakai and his friends like Noji and that, and then Nakai got a job in a dealership that worked on Porsches, and then he moved into Porsches, but him and the lads still drove and enjoyed 8.6s, and they still do up to this day. Noji, that's the painter for Rowell, still has about 20 8.6s. And he paints all the RWB cars, and he's just an 86 fanatic. So this was most likely one of his cars or one of the crew, and then it somehow ended up over here then via Carlo. Yeah, it came in through WKD.
Oh, Wes.
Yeah, Wes brought it in, which was imported by Power Vehicles at the side of Kazama, where we went and sniffed the window when we went to Kazama's place. Here are all the pictures of it flashing up. And then a couple of years later, it just randomly showed up on Speed Hunters for 8-6 Day as a feature.
After you text it.
Very nice.
It is very nice.
In fairness, when something ends up in the right hands here, it actually gets a good... Usually gets a good second chance.
She getting there now.
Amazing. Just a simple little touch. And the off colour is fucking fantastic. Yeah, simple. Suddenly way better.
Oh, I see the tab round about now, Barry.
Get wavy, Barry.
Nice. So now we're doing the old... So the little bride stickers were here. You happy? It's great, isn't it? Not what an L sticker can do.
I don't use the same size we did for...
Yeah, for the Civic. Beautiful.
Oh, not so beautiful.
Oh,
corner
fucking hell, yeah.
So it's actually, they're all sitting into each other.
So for anyone that asks, your printer was dead, and then you just said, fuck it. I mean, we've ran out of time, so, you know.
Yeah.
In case someone's like, oh, why didn't you just fucking print it? And it's like...
Yeah, we could have done, but just when
Yeah.
just the plot was sitting there.
Exactly. It's just as easy, and it'll probably last longer and look more
this-
crisp.
Yeah, exactly.
It looks fucking great. Beautiful.
Now, what's I doing? Let me get past it.
Look at this little happy holding monster. He's delighted with himself. Hey, that looks so much... It looks exactly like when it came in now. That's exactly how it looked. Just the simple bride sticker and then just the RWB banner.
And it is slightly off-white.
Yeah, it is. That's exactly, because the colour, it's almost like a cream or an off-white. So it looks fucking deadly. Because the plain white would just look a bit tacky. Bye, Barry. We'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy doing this. Beautiful. Right. Yeah, I'm just going to do a little quick video. So, we gathered...
Next to it, what's going on?
Yeah, squeaky shoe audio. You right, Barry? We're all glad you made it. Last in the queue. We've invited loads of lads that have cars down to wherever this is. Secret location.
Again, I don't have a car, but I have a can.
He's got a can. But yeah, we decided to just meet up with each other and have a chat and go for a drive, because COVID has stopped everyone from seeing everyone. So now we're using this as an excuse. Oh! It's mad. We're going on an old adventure with a load of lads in cars, and we're all pretending we're in our carefree early 20s, and well, you were fucking 17.
Me?
Yeah, back then. Well, are you now still? Yeah, you were 17 hanging around with us. You would have been the youngest.
Yeah, well, yeah.
You just got your license, so you were the youngest of all of us.
Yeah.
I was... How old are you now, Sharon?
29.
29, so yeah, I'm 3 years older than you. Yeah. This is what we used to do every Friday night when we didn't actually have lives. Lovely.
There.
need someone to go past it, like fucking 300k there now. Here, we'll keep going to the next one, will we?